Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. For 2012, tax rates for Social Security and Medicare have changed. The employee tax rates for 2012 for Social Security are 4.2% on wages and tips received before March 1, 2012. 6.2% on wages and tips received after February 29, 2012. For employers, the Social Security tax rate is 6.2%. The wage base limit is $110,100, and the Medicare tax rate is 1.5%. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.